At EdZev, our role goes beyond just preparing students for their exams. We believe in supporting them throughout their journey. To encourage and motivate our students, the EdZev team recently visited the examination centers in Delhi to personally connect with them. We met students before their exams to boost their confidence and remind them to believe in their preparation. Through these visits, our goal was simple: to stand by our students and motivate them.
Hi everyone, this is Yusra Irfan and EdZev team is here waiting for the students to come out and we want to record their experiences. Thank you so much and I hope that you like this video. The faculty and EdZev team is waiting here outside of the exam center. How do you feel right now and how did EdZev help in your preparation?
EdZev is the real motivator. It did not only support us only during the exams preparation, but during our stress release also.
So this is just a rating question. Rate it out of 10. Rate this paper's difficulty.
Ma'am, it was moderate, 6 upon 10 or 7. 6, 7.
6 out.
7.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10, alright. That is the difficulty level. Rate your stress level this week.
More than 10.
2 approximately 2 and 5 इसके फेज 2
2.5. That means that you were not stressed at all.
कपिल सर ने पहले ही अपना वार्न कर दिया था, इतना स्ट्रेस नहीं दिया उसमें.
That's very nice.
11 on 10.
11 on 10. 7 on 10. 7 on 10. Alright. So, describe audit and assurance paper in exactly 3 words.
Thrill, roller coaster और bouncer.
Describe audit and assurance paper in exactly 3 words.
लेंदी नहीं था और टाइम मैनेजमेंट हो गया प्रॉपरली और जहाँ पे भी इशू लगा था कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी वो टेस्ट से कवर हो गया था मतलब.
चल. What's more expensive, the ACC exam fee or the therapy you would need after this?
Therapy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, be honest, how much main character energy is left in you?
7.
Okay. If you could time travel to start this exam again, what would you tell yourself?
मुझे ऐसा लग नहीं रहा ऐसा कुछ होगा. बाकी I will see.
So, if this exam was your ex, what would you say to it right now?
Ignore. Don't ever meet me again.
Same, don't ever meet me again.
I didn't want to be with you ever.
Okay. Describe audit and assurance paper in exactly 3 words.
See you.
I hate you. I hate you.
Well, tense, thrilling, and some kind of boring.
It's a quite of adventure, thrilling, and of course difficult.
Okay. How did EdZev help you during your preparation journey?
एडजेप ने बहुत हेल्प किया. जैसे कि बल्ला सर के लेक्चर्स थे, उनको देख के जो कॉम्प्लेक्स टॉपिक्स होते हैं वो भी इजी हो गए थे और उन्हीं के जो स्टेप्स थे वो फॉलो करे तो हो गया था. एग्जाम भी इजी हो गया उसकी वजह से.
Perfect, very nice. And what about you, Diya?
Really about the same कि जो रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स थे उससे पहले कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करना और फिर लाइव लेक्चर्स वापस अटेंड करना ताकि वो कॉन्सेप्ट वापस रिवाइज हो एंड कोई डाउट्स हो तो आप लाइव क्लास में पूछ सको. मेनली वाइड.
Perfect, that's very nice. राघव, आपको क्या लगता है, आप क्या चाहते हो अपने फादर के लिए करना कि ACC कंप्लीट करने के बाद? सबसे पहले ऐसी क्या चीज़ होगी जो आप करोगे?
Like my main aim is to like go out of India. That's why I chose like ACC over like Indian qualifications because ACC, like I said previously said, have like recognition in different countries. So like the chances of going outside through Big Fours and other companies increases. That's why I'm looking forward to complete ACC.
Perfect. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. All right. So SBL in one word.
Great.
Sir, SBL अटेंड करते वक्त सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट माइंडसेट क्या होता है?
पूरा पेपर करना है, एंजॉय करना, एक्सप्रेस करना.
नाइस. केस स्टडी देखते ही कॉन्फिडेंस अप हुआ था या फिर थोड़ा सा पैनिक
हुआ था.
ओके. स्टूडेंट्स SBL में सबसे कॉमन मिस्टेक्स क्या करते हैं?
पैनिक करते हैं.
ओके. रिजल्ट के बारे में फीलिंग कॉन्फिडेंट या फिर
मॉडरेट.
ठीक है. SBL क्लियर करने के लिए 1 लाइन मंत्रा.
Leave your books. Practice as many questions as possible.
So the very first question I have for you, Vrinda, is how did EdZev help you during your preparation journey?
It was really helpful because like from the classes, like we had offline classes, so I find offline classes very comforting. I can get the experience. So from there, from the mentor Pushkar sir, he helped me in every stage. Like from starting itself, he was very like strict on that. Ki you have to do practice questions. You have to do along with the syllabus. You have to do the practice questions. So he was very strict on that. So his help was really grateful. Like his was great. Like his guidance was great, and along with that, Akhil sir was also like keeping a check on me, like each and every regular period, how's it going and everything. So then that was great.
So the very first question is, एग्जाम सेंटर के बाहर खड़े होके आपको ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है या फिर आपको क्या लगता है स्टूडेंट्स को ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस हो रहा होगा?
स्टूडेंट्स तो स्ट्रेस फेस कर रहे हैं, उनके तो आई थिंक लास्ट 15 मिनट्स बचे हैं. उनका एग्ज़ाम कैसा होगा उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा स्ट्रेस मुझे भी है.
If this exam attempt was a movie, what would you name it?
चक दे इंडिया.
एक लाइन में आज का पेपर स्टूडेंट्स को रुलाएगा या स्माइल करवाएगा?
जिस तरह की उन्होंने प्रिपरेशन करी है पक्का स्माइल करवाएगा.
ओके, नाइस. सर, गेट के अंदर जाने से पहले सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट SBL मंत्र क्या होना चाहिए?
2 होने चाहिए. एक एग्जाम्पल्स हर आंसर में होना चाहिए, हर पॉइंट में होना चाहिए, और दूसरा है जहाँ पे भी पॉसिबल हो नंबर्स का यूसेज.
If you could whisper just 3 words to every student exiting right now, what would they be?
You've done your best, now relax.
Thank you so much, sir. The very first question is FM in one word.
Interesting.
Calculation or theory, which part scares students the most?
Theory.
One FM topic students secretly hope does not appear in the paper.
Working capital.
NPV or IRR, which one do students trust more?
NPV.
If FM was a Bollywood movie, what would its title be?
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Exam hall mood right now, confident, confused, और जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा.
One quick tip for students who will attempt FM next.
All the best.